Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. What if we told you that you can earn money by watching videos? It sounds unbelievable, but it's possible. Sometimes, small businesses and online startups make promotional videos, and to ensure these videos are actually watched, they offer money. In this video, we'll be talking about how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss out on how to start making a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 10. Make a PayPal account. When you earn money in cash, you have to have a real wallet to keep the money. Likewise, when you earn money online, there's a virtual or online wallet, and PayPal is considered the most secure one out there. You need to have a PayPal account. Register for one and you can start sending and receiving money online from other PayPal accounts. You can also associate your bank account to your PayPal one. That will be very useful for when you want to withdraw money and then add it to your bank account, after which you can then withdraw them from an ATM if you want them in cash. Search Google for PayPal and click on the PayPal website, www.paypal.com. Click on the Sign Up button if you're new and select Personal Account when asked to choose between a personal or a business account. Enter a valid email address and a strong password and keep that somewhere safe, accessible only to you. Hit the Enter button and you're all set. You can also download the mobile app, which has all the features found on the website to earn on the go. Number 9. Go to the AdMeFast website. Social media videos are not limited to individuals making videos or sharing knowledge or entertainment. Usually, companies advertise for their businesses through marketing their products or services via posts and video. The more engagement in their post, the better. One way they increase their views is by getting people to watch their videos, like it, and comment on it. But how can they engage you in their videos if you don't do that on your own? They simply pay you for watching. Thousands of companies already do this through the AdMeFast website, where you can get paid to watch different kinds of videos. The higher the views, the more currency you gain, which is marked as coins on this website. It's free and easy to join the site. You just need to sign up for an account. Number 8. Navigate the website. You can now easily navigate the website. On the left side of the page, you will find a list of social media platforms that you can watch videos on. You can also see a coin-based currency system, which is how you will eventually be earning. Number 7. Watch YouTube videos. Watch YouTube videos by scrolling down on the left side of the page and clicking on YouTube. A window will pop up where you only need to watch 30 seconds of the video which a company or user posted on AdMeFast to gain more views or engagements. As more people like, comment and share, this will boost YouTube algorithm to recommend the video to other people, which will then lead them on to more views and more engagements. You will help them gain views, they will help you gain coins, which then translates into money, and that's a win-win. Number 6. Go to the Player Up website. We earn coins through one service and fulfill it with another service. So for example, if you get paid $20 to fulfill a task and you hire someone for $10 to fulfill that task, that means you end up gaining $10. Go to the Player Up website and sign up, and then get to the top of the page. Click Login and log in with either your Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam accounts, or just by entering in your email address and a nice strong password. Start selling different things such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Number 5. Sell Facebook likes on Player Up. You can buy and sell Facebook likes through Player Up. Facebook likes for companies can boost their post engagements. The higher the number of likes, the more reliable a company is considered. Now, you will be selling Facebook likes for those who are looking for them. First, go to your Player Up account. Now, set up a listing for Facebook likes and set your price, maybe $10 or maybe just $5. It is completely up to you. Now, follow the next step to learn how to get this fulfilled. Number 4. Set up a page on AdMeFast. Set up a page on AdMeFast by going onto the site, logging in and looking at the top left panel, and then click on Add Site or Page. Fill out the form and select what you want to be contributing. In this case, Facebook likes. Select how many you want, so maybe your client wants 500 likes for $10. So here you set 500 likes. Select worldwide for countries and put in the page URL, which will be provided to you by your client on the Player Up site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. This is why your coins are important, because you'll be giving them out as a reward for those who give likes to the page. Then you're all set. This can work for many different social media platforms, as we will be discovering later on in this video, so stick around to find out how to do it for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Number 3. Sell likes on Instagram on Player Up. Instagram is considered one of the top social media platforms, mainly for picture posts and short videos. The site includes a lot of influencers and others who aspire to be influencers. In order to become one yourself, you need a lot of likes. Likes and followers can be hard to come by, and that's where you come in. First, go ahead and set up your Player Up account. Again, like with Facebook likes, you will just set up a listing. This time, you could sell likes or followers. Set your prices accordingly. Fulfill these likes and follows through Add Me Fast. Select the option for Instagram likes or followers according to what you are selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content, and this will lead to a happy client and a great reputation. Number 2. Sell views on TikTok on Player Up. Recently, TikTok was released to the public and grew up so rapidly. A lot of people now post videos on TikTok, including internet celebrities who will want to gain the most views. TikTok is rich in all kinds of content, be it dancing, cooking, painting, or any other interest. It's easy to view videos as the maximum time is 1 minute. To sell views, go to the Player Up account page and set up a listing saying that you'll be selling TikTok views. Go to the Add Me Fast page and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it and your client will be satisfied. Number 1. Sell views on YouTube on Player Up. YouTube is a worldwide platform where you can find billions of video content. Unfortunately, not all of these videos get enough views and some people want to reach out to more people. In order to do so, they need to trigger the YouTube algorithm, which works in your favor when you get more likes and comments. That's why so many people are willing to pay others to let them watch, like, and comment on their videos. You can be one of them. Go to your Player Up account and make a listing, saying you will sell YouTube views. Then set your price and go to the Add Me Fast page. Set your price and go to Add Me Fast and set up a page so people can view the video that your client requested views on. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.